Hello everyone and welcome back to Mastermind e-learning. In today's video, we are going to learn how to multiply numbers with 11 and get our answer within 3 seconds. So let's get started. Let us see the first method, that is multiplying a 2-digit number by 11. The first question is 23 multiplied by 11. So how do we multiply this number by 11? Our answer would be divided into 3 parts. For the first part, we copy the first digit as it is. So 2 is copied down as it is. Then for the second part, we add the first and the second digits, that is 2 plus 3, which is 5. And for the third part, we just copy the last digit as it is. So 3 is copied down as it is, and our answer would be 253. Let's see one more example. 39 multiplied by 11. Now here if you see, again we have 3 parts. So for the first part, you will copy 3 as it is. For the second part, you will add 3 and 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. But 12 is a 2-digit number. So whenever you get a 2-digit number, the first digit is considered as a carryover, and you put that carryover over the first digit like this. So 1 and 2. Next, we copy the last digit as it is. Now, we'll add this 3 and 1 together. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then combine the parts, the other 2 parts. So our answer would be 429. Let's see one more example of this kind. 75 multiplied by 11. So copy the first digit as it is. Then we add the 2 digits, that is 7 plus 5, which is 12. Again, it is a 2-digit number. So write 1 over the 7 and 2 will be written in the center. And then copy the last digit, 5. Now we add the 7 and 1 together, which is 8. And the other 2 digits are 2 and 5. So our answer is 825. So this is how we multiply a 2-digit number by 11. Let's now see the multiplication process of a 3-digit number by 11. The first example here is 135 multiplied by 11. The first step is same. You'll just copy the first digit as it is. So we have 1 here. Next, we'll add these 2 digits, 1 and 3, which is 4. Then we add the next 2 digits, that is 3 and 5, the second and the third digit. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then we copy the last digit as it is. So we get it as 5. Now combine all these answers. So our answer is 1485. Let's see another example where we have carryovers. So 279 multiplied by 11. So for the first step is same. We copy the first digit as it is. Then we add the first and the second digits, that is 2 plus 7, which is 9. Then we add the second and third digits, that is 7 plus 9, which is 16. Now there is a 2-digit number, so we have 1 carry over here over 9 and 6 will be written over here. This is 16, 1, 6, 16. And then copy the last digit 9 as it is. Now if you notice, we have 9 and 1. If you add this 9 plus 1, again you're going to get a 2-digit number. So in such cases, we do not add this like this. We take the 2 numbers, that is 29 together, and add this 1 here. So we have 29 plus 1, which is 30, and 6, 9. So the answer is 3069. Let's see one more example. 573 multiplied by 11. So for the first step, copy the first digit as it is, that is 5. Then we add 5 and 7, that is 5 plus 7 is 12. So 1 is the carryover and we write down 2. Then we add 7 and 3, which is 10. Write 1 as a carryover and write 0 here. And then we copy the last digit 3 as it is. Again, we'll add these carryovers. So 5 and 1 is added, 2 and 1 is added. So this is 6, 3, 0, 3. So this is how we multiply a 3-digit number by 11. Now let's see how to multiply a 4-digit number by 11. The first example, 5327 into 11. So 5327. Again, we'll just put these squares for us. Now copy the first digit as it is, that is 5. Then we add first and second digits, that is 5 plus 3, which is 8. Next we add this second and third digits, that is 3 plus 2, which is 5. Then we add the third and the fourth digits, that is 2 and 7, which is 9. And for the last place, we copy the last digit, that is 7. So our answer is 58597. Let's see one more example. Now this will have some carryovers. So copy the first digit as it is, that is 7. Next we add 7 and 9, that is 16. So we put a 1 over here and 6 is written in its place. Next we add 9 and 3, that is 12. So we have 1 and 2 over here. Next we add 3 plus 5, which is 8, and then copy down 5. Now we'll add these carries. So 7 plus 1 is 8 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Now combine these answers and our answer is 87,285. So in this way you can multiply any 4-digit number with 11. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon so that you do not miss out any single update. Keep watching Mastermind eLearning.